Hello, awesome students. Saw you were having trouble with this, so I thought I'd make a little video to help you out. Alright, so basically we want to solve this equation, right? So our goal here, whenever we solve an equation where you have one variable, and that variable is to the first power, your goal, your idea is that you want to isolate your variable. Isolate, get it all by itself on one side of the equation. You want to get like p equals that. That's your goal. All right, so when we write it, then I'm going to write it out. So 12p plus 19 equals 13p plus 6. So we want to get all the p's on one side of the equation. That means the other one, this thing, we want to get on the other side. So we want to get p equals and then a number over here. So that means I'm going to take this one, subtract it from both sides, because that's going to give me 12p plus 0, or nothing, equals 13p. And then you have negative 19 and positive 6. You have two of them that are different signs. So you subtract them from each other. And then the one with the bigger sign, or the one with the number that's farthest away from 0, is the sign that it takes. So it's 13p minus 13. And then remember, we want to get all the p's on the left side, so we need to subtract 13p from both sides of the equal sign. So we're going to get negative p equals negative 13. And the last step is now it's negative 1 times p, so we have to divide it by whatever number that is. And whatever we do to the left, we have to do to the right. So basically what we did here, let's see how this 6 is here and this 6 is still there? This is what disappeared. So I subtracted 19 first. They decided to subtract 13p first. It doesn't matter. Right? They did that first, so you subtract 13p. So this is the subtraction property of equality. They subtracted it from both sides. I subtracted 19. It's still a subtraction property of equality. Then, if you look at what they did next, what changed? The negative p is the same. It's the other thing that changed. So they subtracted 19 from both sides. So again, it's the subtraction property of equality. They're asking, what did you do? Did you do it to both sides? Then it's the something something property of equality. So subtraction, addition, multiplication. What did you do? We subtracted. We subtracted. And then the last step, you divide both sides by negative 1. They might have said, if they said it like this, because I would have said it as division property of equality. Yeah, so that might be subtract 13p from both sides, and subtract 19 from both sides, and then divide both by negative 1. Okay, hope that helps.